Irene formed early this morning just off of Puerto Rico. Today it has moved closer to Hispaniola, offshore, but close enough to the island that it hasn't really gotten much stronger today. It is expected to get stronger once it moves away from the island tomorrow and moves into the Bahamas. Right now winds at 80 miles per hour, moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. It has kept that intensity and that speed today. It will slow down a little bit over the next couple of days, and of course it is going to get stronger over the next several days. Here's a look at the forecast for Irene. Overnight tonight, holding steady close to Hispaniola, but staying out over water. By tomorrow afternoon, a Category 2 storm, wind strengthening to 100 miles per hour, and then moving across the Bahamas. It's going to be a big hurricane by the time it gets to the northern Bahamian Islands. Category 3, winds 115 miles per hour. That should be around Thursday afternoon. We'll be watching it because there is a chance it could be further west, affecting Florida, or maybe even out to sea a little more. That's going to be critical for our forecast because by then it's going to start moving north. Friday off of Jacksonville or close to the Florida coast, and then as we head toward Saturday early morning, making landfall perhaps across the Carolinas. It's going to be a major hurricane. Once it moves inland, it'll start to weaken. But notice the cone of uncertainty here. That means the storm could be anywhere from eastern parts of Georgia to out over the Atlantic. But we are in the crosshairs of this storm. Some of the good news on this, our computer models today throughout the course of the day have started trending a little further off to the east. Notice how most of them are bunched up east of the Grand Strand. That would be good news. There are a few outliers that are still off to our west. One of them takes it right through Florida. So there's still some uncertainty. 4 days away, there's still a lot of question as to exactly where this is going to go. Our forecast tracker looking at some of those questions. The first one answered today, how strong is it going to be? If it had gone over land, over Hispaniola, it would have weakened today. That didn't happen. It's going to stay over water. That means it is going to strengthen over the next couple of days. We're also looking at high pressure. One of them, that big heat wave we saw over the summer, it is still chugging along across Texas and Oklahoma. Of course, we have the Bermuda high pressure system. Right in between them, there's a weakness, and that's where the storm will be going. But where exactly is that weakness going to be? Is the Bermuda high going to be stronger, pushing it to the west? Is it that Texas high that's going to be stronger and pushing it off to the east? So anywhere in between these, that's where the track could go, and that's where we will be watching. Our satellite picture showing a few scattered showers around. Temperatures today have been in the 80s and 90s, a warm day today, and our 3-degree guarantee from last Friday. Bennettsville, we did hit it, so that means Glass Pro donating another $100 to Harvest Hope. Our 7-day forecast looking pretty nice. For tonight, we will see partly cloudy skies, a few scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Nicer day, lower humidity tomorrow, temperatures back in the 80s, and the weather will stay nice tomorrow, Wednesday, and Thursday. And then we're going to watch what's going to happen with Hurricane Irene. If it's going to hit our area or get close to our area, it's going to be between lunchtime on Friday and Saturday evening. That's the window right there where we're going to be watching for this storm, and then gone on Sunday. So we should start to be preparing for this storm. Even if it's going to miss us, we need to prepare now.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Trey.